Do you want to make $100 a day? Here are 5 side hustles that anybody can do to start making money immediately. Okay, so before we get into these 5 side hustles, I do want to make this important distinction. The 5 on this list are purely about making money. They are not about building businesses. They're about how to get that extra $100 of cold cash in your pocket. So let's hop in. Number 1 is going to be rideshare, food delivery, you name it. That is the Uber, the Lyft, the Instacart, the DoorDash. Doing those tasks are a great way to put money in your pocket. Now, look, this does take a little bit of time and you will have to get your bearings, but after going and getting your car inspected, you'll be eligible to sign up and start driving for Uber or Lyft immediately. This is a great way to put a little bit of extra change in your pocket. Number 2, we're going to talk about Rover. Now, I really like this side hustle because I'm a dog person. So Rover is where you house sit dogs for a fee. If you don't want to be driving around the city delivering food, but you're a dog person, maybe you work from home, taking on 1 to 2 dogs to house sit is a great way to make additional income. There are people on Rover charging anywhere from $50 to $150 a night to take care of dogs. Consider yourself a dog person? Well, now you just got yourself a side hustle. Number 3, we're going to talk about doing customer service, particularly for American Express. So Amex has an online customer service program where you can go and work and they will pay you $20 an hour. It is a full remote setup and they do have some flexibility with their hours. Now, this is a side hustle / another part-time job, but that's part of the game. We're just talking about how to make money. So if you can log 5 hours with Amex around your current job, now you're putting $100 extra in your pocket. All right, number 4, and this is helping businesses out with their graphic design or social media. Now, this is a side hustle I love because if you can get a client on and help them with their social media, that is creating the post for them, maybe scheduling it, being their social media manager, a lot of times you can do this from wherever and you can get this done pretty quickly. So if you bring on a client and let's say you want to charge them $1,000 a month or $500 a month, the chances are that you can get their entire month worth of content done pretty quickly. Then it can become a pretty lucrative side hustle for you. A couple clients helping them with things like social media, graphic design, or maybe another skill that you have is a great way to produce income and not disrupt your current employment. All right, and number 5, picking up another job, it is bartending or waiting tables. I still think it is one of the best jobs on a per hour basis, especially if you can get into a busy bar or restaurant. It can be very, very lucrative on a per hour basis. It also lets you work things like weekends, so you can do it around your current job, add a little extra money to your back pocket. The one nice thing too about working at a bar, and I did this for years while getting my business off the ground, is it keeps you out of the bars and restaurants. So not only are you making money on a Friday or Saturday night, you're also not spending money on the Friday or Saturday night, which can be ideal for some people. It was definitely helped me for a couple of years. But that's it. Those are 5 side hustles that you can start that will make you $100 per day. All right, let me know what other ones you like. And as always, hit that like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.